Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a login bar or a login button to your Wix site. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already in my editor, and I'm in the Wix Studio editor. However, the process is very similar to the standard Wix editor, so I'm just going to go through it, and you guys should be able to do it on both, whatever you're using. Now, what you want to do once you're in your editor and on the page that you want to be, click on the plus in the top left to add elements, then go scroll down until you see either members or community. I think it's community on both now, and you want to click on login bar over here. All you have to do then is just drag it over, and then you can set it up on your site. You can set up the login bar through this. You can just show the avatar, the full, only the name or the initials. You can design what the bar says before login. You can show the greeting before the name if you want, and set up the greeting yourself, and the logout message is what you can set up as well. You can also manage the menu by adding items if you wish. You can also edit the layout and edit the design as well, but in essence that is pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.